Okay, now this is the seventh question from topic optical instrument of H.C. Verma. So let's solve this. Now in this question it is given that the distance between the separation between objective and the eyepiece of a compound microscope can be adjusted. So the separation between the objective and the eyepiece, it can be adjusted between 9.8 centimeter to 11.8 centimeter. They said the focal length of objective is 1 centimeter and focal length of eyepiece is 6 centimeter. So we need to find the range of magnifying power, and the image formed by the eyepiece must be at 24 centimeter always. So okay, I can say that by using lens formula, the object distance from the eyepiece can be find out as VE into FE upon FE minus VE, as VE is 24 and FE is 6. So it will be 6 minus minus plus 24. So it will be minus 24 into 6 divided by 30. So 6 5s are 30 and then 5 4s are 24 remains 0.40, 5 8s are 40, 4.8 centimeter. So if the image if the object for eyepiece is at 4.8, now let us take, if I have taken this as 9.8, so for objective it means that the objective forms image at 9.8 minus 4.8. So 9.8 minus 4.8 will become 5.0, that is 5 only centimeter, and it is on the right hand side of the objective lens, so that's why it will be positive. Now we need to find the UO. So UO will be equal to VO into FO upon FO minus VO. See, now I will put this, the 5 into focal length of objective is 1 minus 5, so it will be 5 upon minus 4. So that comes out to be 5 by 4. 5 divided by 4 will be how much? So it is minus 1.25 centimeter. Okay, now what is the magnifying power when it is 9.8? Let's calculate. So the magnifying power is given by VO upon UO in bracket 1 plus D upon FE is the maximum magnifying power that can be obtained. So here what is VO given to us? So you can see VO we have 5. So this will be 5 upon UO is minus 5 by 4. Instead of taking 1.25, it would be easier. 1 plus 25 upon FE. So what is the focal length of eyepiece? So they said the focal length for eyepiece is 6 centimeter. So I will take this as 6. So this 5 get cancelled. This is minus 4 into. So 6 1s are 6 and it will be 31 by 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and it will be 3 10s are approximately. So that comes out to be 20. So magnifying power for the first case comes out to be 20. Okay. Now in the second case, when the distance between them is 11.2, then in that case the image formed by objective will change. It will be 11.8 minus 4.8. okay, this part will remain common for both the cases. Okay, and this is case 1 when we have taken distance 9.8. Now we are going to take the distance 11.8. So 11.8 minus 4.8, so 8 minus 8 0, and 11 minus 4, so it comes out to be 7 centimeter. Now you can find, again we can find UO. So what is UO? Is equal to VO into FO upon FO minus VO. So it is 7 into focal length of objective is 1 minus 7, so it will be 7 upon minus 6. So let us say it is minus 7 by 6. Now what is the magnifying power in the second case? So the magnifying power will be equal to VO upon UO in bracket 1 plus D upon FE. So now here VO is 7 and this is minus 7 by 6 in bracket 1 plus 25 by 6. Okay, so let's solve this here. So the magnifying power in second case will be this 7 get cancelled, it will be -6, and this comes out to be 31 upon 6, so 6 is get cancelled, so magnifying power comes out to be 31. Okay, so the final answer is the range of magnifying power will be from 20 to 31, and this is our final answer. Okay, thank you.